to ACDLabs Luminata, the web portal for batch genealogy functionality. In this movie, we will describe the capability of viewing the family tree of a project by showing the batch fate. We will also show the batch map with the associated analytical data. Here is a full family tree for agomelantin, an antidepressant drug with its impurities. Right now, we are on the batch genealogy chevron. Each chevron represents a different view, and depending on the chevron you select, such as compound view, it would direct you to another linked record set. Let's get started with the batch schema. The batches will not only have the batch number, but also the input and output amounts for each stage. Within the family tree, you can also view the batch fate by clicking on an entity and selecting Show Batch Fate. If you would like to change the view, simply select the other styles. By hovering over the batch in the bubble mode, you may view all impurities associated with the batch. Now let's go to the Batch Data View chevron. By clicking on the Batch Map toolbar, you can view the corresponding impurities for that batch or the name of the impurities associated to that batch. By selecting any batch, the corresponding data sets will also appear. Same as with the process map, you can view the impurity within the family tree. By using the Luminata web portal, the chemist is able to view the family tree of a project and dynamically visualize the corresponding analytical and batch data. This is a decision support tool for any type of assessment, enabling you to make the right decision the first time around.